Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English.
The podcast for kids who want to learn English.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're listening today.
That's right. This is our 9th episode. Can you believe it, Alex? Episode 9.
9 already. Wow. And we have a very yummy topic for you today. Just thinking about it is making me hungry.
Me too. My tummy is rumbling. Today, we're talking all about food and eating out.
Food, my favorite topic.
Mine too. So let's start with the food we eat at home. What do we eat during the day, Alex?
Well, the first meal of the day in the morning is breakfast.
Breakfast, right. It's super important to start the day with a good breakfast. I like to have a bowl of cereal with cold milk.
Cereal's great. Sometimes I like toast with butter and jam. On the weekends, maybe my dad will make pancakes.
Ooh, pancakes with syrup. That's a special breakfast. I also love fruit in the morning, like a banana or some strawberries.
Yeah, fruit is a healthy and sweet way to start the day. Okay, so after breakfast, in the middle of the day, we have lunch.
Lunch. At school, I usually bring a sandwich from home. My favorite is a cheese and tomato sandwich.
Sandwiches are easy and delicious. Sometimes, if it's cold, my mom packs me some warm soup in a thermos.
Oh, I love soup, especially chicken noodle soup.
Me too. And then the last big meal of the day is dinner.
Dinner is when the whole family often eats together. So, Alex, what's your all-time favorite dinner?
That's easy. Spaghetti with big meatballs.
Classic. I think my favorite is pizza.
Pizza is a great choice. Sometimes we have tacos for dinner, which is a food from Mexico. They're so crunchy and fun to eat.
Yeah, or sometimes we have chicken with rice and vegetables, like broccoli and carrots. It's important to eat our vegetables.
Very important. What about between meals, Sarah? If you're a little hungry, you might have a snack.
Yes, a snack. A healthy snack could be an apple or some yogurt.
Or maybe some crackers with cheese. But sometimes you might have a special treat for a snack, like a cookie.
Right, a treat, like chocolate or a small piece of cake. It's okay to have treats sometimes.
Exactly. Now, all this eating makes me thirsty. What are some things we drink, Sarah?
Well, the most important drink is water. We should drink lots of water every day.
That's true. We can also drink milk, which is good for our bones, and juice, like apple juice or orange juice.
Yum! Okay, so eating at home is great, but sometimes for a special day, we go out to eat.
We do. We go to a place where they cook the food for you. That place is called a restaurant.
A restaurant! I love going to restaurants. It feels so special, like for a birthday.
It does, and there are so many different kinds of restaurants. For example, there are fast food restaurants where you get your food very quickly, like hamburgers and French fries.
Right. And there are casual restaurants or cafes where you can sit down with your family for a nice, relaxed meal.
Yeah, and then there are fancy restaurants where people go for very special occasions. You might even have to wear nice clothes.
Ooh la la, fancy. And of course, there are restaurants for specific foods, like a pizzeria for pizza or an ice cream parlor for ice cream.
An ice cream parlor, my favorite kind of restaurant. So when you walk into a restaurant, what do you see?
Well, you see tables and chairs for people to sit at. Someone, maybe a host, will say hello and take you to your table.
Right. And on the table, things are already set up for you. You'll have a plate.
And next to the plate, you'll see a fork, a knife, and a spoon. We call these silverware.
Silverware, and you'll also have a napkin to keep yourself clean, and a glass for your drink.
Exactly. So once you're sitting at your table, a very important person comes to say hello.
That's the waiter, if it's a man, or the waitress, if it's a woman. They will help you.
That's right. And they bring you the most exciting part, the menu.
The menu. It's a list of all the food and drinks you can buy. It's so fun to read the menu and choose what you want to eat.
It is. Okay, I think it's time we practice. Let's pretend we're at a restaurant. This is the fun part where we get to act.
Okay, You be the customer first, Sarah. I'll be the waiter. Hello. Welcome to Alex's restaurant. Here is your menu.
Why, thank you very much. Ooh, everything looks so good. It's hard to decide.
Take your time. Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, please. Can I have a glass of apple juice, please?
Of course. 1 apple juice coming right up. I'll be back in a moment to take your food order. Hello again. Are you ready to order your food?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with rice and vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. That will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Wonderful. Thank you. See, everyone, it's that easy. You just say, I would like, or can I have? And always remember to be polite and say please and thank you.
Being polite is so important. Okay, my turn to be the customer. You're the waitress now, Sarah.
Okay. Hello, sir. Welcome to Sarah's Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hello. I would like to order, but I have a question first.
Of course. What is your question?
I see the cheese pizza on the menu. Does the pizza have any mushrooms on it? I don't like mushrooms.
That's a great question. No, our cheese pizza is just cheese and tomato sauce, no mushrooms.
Perfect. Then I would like 1 big cheese pizza, please. And the glass of water.
You got it. 1 big cheese pizza, no mushrooms, and 1 water. Will that be all?
Wait, let's talk about the parts of a meal. Usually you have a main course, which is the big part of the meal, like my pizza.
Right, the main course. And after the main course, you might have something sweet. That's called dessert.
Dessert! So, Madam Waitress, what do you have for dessert?
Today, we have chocolate cake or a bowl of vanilla ice cream.
Ooh, can I have a slice of chocolate cake after my pizza?
You certainly can. So that's 1 pizza, 1 water, and 1 chocolate cake for dessert. I'll put that order in for you.
Thank you. See, it's okay to ask questions about the food. The waiter or waitress is there to help you.
Totally. Okay, so after you finish your delicious meal and your yummy dessert, there's one last step.
You have to pay for the food. You ask the waiter or waitress for the bill or the check. You can say, "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?"
Right, and then your parents will pay and you can say thank you and goodbye.
That was great practice. I think we need a quick review of all these new words.
Good idea. Okay, everyone, listen carefully. The first meal of the day is breakfast.
The meal in the middle of the day is lunch.
The evening meal is dinner.
The place you go to eat out is called a restaurant.
The list of food they give you is the menu.
And the sweet treat you eat at the end of the meal is dessert.
Perfect. How about a quick game, Alex?
A game. I love games. What are we playing?
Okay, I am thinking of a food. It's round, it has cheese and tomato sauce, you can add toppings to it, and it's cut into slices. What is it?
Oh, I know. Is it pizza?
It is pizza. Your turn to describe one.
Okay, my turn. I'm thinking of a dessert. It's very cold and sweet. It comes in many flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. You can eat it in a cone or a bowl.
I know this one. It's ice cream.
You got it!
That was fun. Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode of Everyday English.
We hope you had fun learning about food and eating out.
Try practicing with your family or friends. You can pretend to open your own restaurant.
That's a great idea. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Join us next time for episode 10, where we'll be talking about animals and pets.
Ooh, that will be a fun one. Until then, goodbye.
Bye for now.